Playa Blanca, Spanish for White Beach, is the southernmost town on the island and is a 30-minute drive from Arrecife Airport. To get to Playa Blanca from the airport, you can hire a car. I personally always use Autorizon. I find that they are the cheapest and have no hidden charges. Another option would be to grab a taxi, shared or private transfer, or the cheapest option would be to take the 161 bus. This takes around an hour and costs about £3, which is roughly €3.50, but obviously the choice is completely yours. This footage was taken in November. The weather was still in the mid-20s and not too busy in general, something to keep in mind if you're looking to visit in the peak summer season. As you can see, away from the seafront in the town area, you'll find a variety of shops, supermarkets, banks, restaurants, bars, cafes, there's a pharmacy, souvenir stores, beachwear, buckets and spades, toys for the kids and so much more. Practically everything you need for an enjoyable, worry-free stay. Just make sure you have enough space in your case for all of your holiday purchases. You can walk along the seafront from one end to the other, which takes around 15 to 20 minutes, longer depending on how many bars, shops and restaurants you stop in at along the way. It really is a lovely scenic walk which I recommend and offers many photo opportunities along the way. Of course, in Playa Blanca you have beaches, and there are two good sized beaches, Playa Blanca Beach and Playa Dorada. Playa Blanca is perfect for couples and families alike. You can book excursions and car hire locally. If you wanted to perhaps hire a car for a couple of days, or you can even hire a sports car and go discover what the rest of the island of Lanzarote has to offer. Why not take a trip across to Fuerteventura? Ferries are frequent and depart from Playa Blanca across to Corralejo. The journey takes around 25 minutes and prices start from roughly £31 for an adult foot passenger. For the best price, book in advance, and remember that Lanzarote car hire companies prohibit you from taking your hire car off the island. Everything you need for an enjoyable stay is conveniently located in Playa Blanca.